Finally, it's over to Mangalam, who's looking at all of the cues from the futures and options space. Mangalam, it was an over 1% higher close yesterday. So take us through what we should track today.
Well, second day running, we saw the markets close higher yesterday, and it was the second day where the shorts threw in their towel as well, because there was short covering that we saw. Almost 200 points on the Nifty on the way up is what we saw in yesterday's trading session. And if you just take a look at the index futures action by the FIs, they bought almost 1,850 odd crores at about 2,800 longs. But importantly, for the second day running, upwards of 10,000 shorts. This time around 17,500 short contracts have been covered. And as a result of which the FI longs, which were at 76% sometime in the middle of last week, have now come down all the way to 61%. And conversely, the longs have increased to 39% as well. What also helped the market was that there was a dearth of sellers in the cash market. Both the DIIs as well as the FIs bought in the cash market. Net inflows close to around that 1,400 crore mark. And even if you take a look at the index options, the FIs continue to cover calls. In fact, in the, yesterday's trading session and the session before that, the FIs covered short calls. So that's telling you that shorts are throwing their towels in. Because if you take a look at it, in just the last two trading sessions, they've covered 28,000 short contracts in index futures and 88,000 short calls itself. Put writers were active at close to around 17,800. And that's telling you that 17,700 is an important mark for the market. The Nifty, the SGX Nifty is indicating a start around the 20-day moving average of 17,711. That's the SGX Nifty start. And the 20-day moving average is 17,690 thereabouts. Dips have been bought into. Will this one be bought into or not is something that we'll have to watch out for. And this short covering will sustain if the Nifty stays above yesterday's high as well, because yesterday in the last hour, we did see some profit taking.
All right, Mangalam, Rima, as well as Vivek, thank you very much for joining us and taking us through that entire trade setup as we get into a fresh trading session.